A Delta Icon Pack application for Android is a customization tool that allows users to change the appearance of app icons on their device's home screen and app drawer. This app typically features a collection of uniquely designed icons, offering a cohesive and visually appealing aesthetic that enhances the overall look of the device. Key characteristics of a Delta Icon Pack include a variety of icon styles, colors, and themes, enabling users to personalize their devices according to their preferences. Many packs also support dynamic icons, which can provide real-time updates or effects based on app activity, further enhancing the user experience. Additionally, Delta Icon Pack applications are often compatible with popular launcher apps, allowing users to easily apply the new icons and customize other aspects of their home screens. Overall, these icon packs are a popular choice for users looking to refresh their device's interface, making it more visually striking and personalized.